Hi, it's Jeanette with Country Design Style, and I'm in Lake Tahoe with huge fat pine cones that we're having fun gathering. And I wanted to take just a moment to tell you a little secret that I've been keeping. And a few months ago, I had a publisher contact me about writing a book. And so after we ironed out all the details and everything, I've been a busy little beaver writing a book. So I'm very excited. It's probably going to come out sometime around the beginning of spring, and it's based on the farmhouse style, finding and using what you either have, you find in yard sales, thrift stores, and repurposing them into that great farmhouse style. So I hope you're excited as I am, because I'm thrilled. And thank you guys for following me. Bye, everybody.